Hello, welcome to Jaiinfoway. My name is Sumit and currently I am working as a tech lead at Jaiinfoway. With over 75 plus experts, we are leading the charge in cloud and AI innovations. Specializing in AWS, we bring you the best in migration, modernization, and many more. Accelerate your cloud transition with Jaiinfoway's expertise in large-scale AWS deployments. Step into the future with our Industry 10.0 and IoT solutions on AWS. Unlock the power of your data with our AWS data and analytics experiences. Drive innovations with our AI and machine learning solutions on AWS. Reimagine your applications with our cutting-edge AWS technologies. Join the ranks of successful